Hi, and welcome to our Blogify backend. So, for those of you who are not familiar with Blogify, Blogify is Rebelcorp's blogging tool that allows you to easily add blogs to your existing Rebelcorp website, as well as is a great add-on to your existing website in case you don't have a blogging backend. So blogs are great to actually help in improving discoverability as well as trying to drive traffic onto your website by reposting blogs from LinkedIn, various other social platforms to connect and drive traffic to your website. So today I'm going to show you how exactly do you use Blogify and how you can actually set up your own blogs and modify them further. So in order to access the Blogify section, if you are an existing Revelcop customer, you can go on your pages and scroll to the blog pages. If you're a Blogify customer, you will actually only have access to a blog section, not the remaining pages. So you can come straight from here and start by creating a post. So today what I'm going to do is a little fun, is actually write a blog on how you can write blogs and what are the benefits of actually writing blogs on Rumblecop using Blogify. So first thing you can do is you can actually add an image to go along with the blog. It can be in the form of one singular image, a couple of multiple images if you want to use a gallery, as well as embed a video if you have video based content like how I might have over here, and how you can use it as well. So simply what we do is go in here and you can actually upload the image or make use of our Unsplash integration to quickly find an image that's appropriate for your blog post. So let me just look for a blog image. And you can see these are good images that can be added in onto our blogging section. So there we go. So after you can see that the image is added in, and then I can write it. Why should you write a blog to improve your website? So that can be my blog title. Now, the good part is, I'm sure today most of us are using AI to write our blogs and put in our feedback. And luckily for you, we have an integrated chat GPT built in by clicking on simply the AI tool right here. So here you can generate the whole blog in a matter of seconds. So what I would say is write a blog on, there we go. And now you can see the AI do its thing by just hitting the submit button. You can further add a lot more information, maybe work on your prompting skills as well and sharpen them up about how exactly, and maybe add a short write up about your blog. In fact, what we would recommend genuinely is try to, instead of just relying your AI completely on the blog, you can see that you've got a complete blog done and pretty much well ready from here. So BlogFi is not just about writing, standard blogs and this thing. We actually allow you to do a lot of other modifications. For instance, you can add an image somewhere here within this as well. So I'll just add an image back as well. And yeah, so for the blog, you can find some more images that can be added in that go well with our image. So in case we don't have anything, we can always go back to our image directory and find another. I think this looks like a great image that goes with the blog post. So yeah, so you can add certain sections, videos, more information that can actually help your viewers come to your website and learn a lot more about what you're doing. So it's not necessarily that's always centric to your business. You can actually keep it in line with what would be good for your business, modify it further, and yeah. So upon doing so, you'll also need to generate a summary for this. And luckily, with the help of AI, you can actually create it from the basis of the content itself, which is written in the post. So after you write the title, after you write the blog, you'll see the AI is smart enough to actually generate a summary for you. So you can see it's given a whole summary of the entire blog, but this might be a little bit too long as a summary. So what I can use the AI tool is actually shortening it. So with the help of AI, if you already got content, you can actually using the builder, shorten it. You can enhance it further. You can improve it, change the tonality. So I would like it even smaller. So there you go. This is a summary of that blog's post, which looks pretty good to go along with the full blog. So there we go. And in order to publish it, the last few steps are left is we need to add this to a particular category. So that can be more to do with exploring rebel cop apps is a great category, and you can create your own categories as well. So if you already have categories fed in, you can do those. You can add them to various things. You can create modify the URL of the blog, which is usually the title, the author who has written this blog. And if you want to schedule it, so you don't have to actually let it happen right now, you can schedule a blog that can be published later on in the future as well. So it can be easily added to your website. And yeah, when you do this whole thing, and all you have to do is hit update, and you'll notice that this blog just went live. And now you can preview the blog as well, and it will be live and visible on your website. There we go. So this is the blog page. Or if you're adding it to your existing website, it can actually be integrated within the blog post itself. Great. And that's how you can use Rebelcorp's Blogify to improve, increase your SEO effort, establish your authority with your content, create, engage, interact with your audience, drive traffic, support your social media, enhance customer education, create more shareable content, and foster the relationship between you and your customers all through once. So if you're not yet blogging on your website in 2025, what really are you doing? So come check out Blogify today with Rebelcorp.